Hello, here is the page where you will find your course documents for the semester. As you see, each week has a folder related. By the end of the course, weeks 10 through 12 are grouped together, as are weeks 13 and 14. The assignments get bigger, and therefore I give you more time for them. For this overview, I want to use week 3 as an example of how things will work. So we'll just enter it here. Most weeks we'll have a screencast overview. For week 3, your screencast is there. As well, each week you will have a PowerPoint that I have created that aligns with the contents of the textbook that I feel are most important and most applicable to the related assignment. Please always look over this PowerPoint, and we'll just have a look at how it works here. If you click on it, it downloads in the corner. And then you can open it up. I do recommend watching it as a slideshow. That is how it was designed, but you are welcome to view it in whatever format you prefer. And as you just scroll through, it will take you through each of the pieces of the content, giving all the information that you will need for your related assignments. So that is that portion. Beneath that, you will find your assignment. And it is going to be in a Word document. For those of you using a Mac rather than a PC, submitting it in Word documents is my preferred method for grading. If you are using a Mac, please submit PDFs. Submitting in notes or whatever it's called often doesn't work. I don't have access to my grading on a Mac, so please use a PDF if you cannot submit as a Word document. Here's an example of one of our assignments. This is going to be your first written assignment, which will be an introduction memo. Due date is there. All of my assignments come with an objective. I want you to know why it is you're doing what you are doing for me. As well, there will be full instructions given, often step by step, recommendations for specific pages in the text that are relevant, specific images from the text that I want you to look at, that type of thing, and all the reminders and requirements of what I expect. At the bottom of each assignment is the grading scheme for the assignment. It's a rubric, and as you see, there are many different ways to earn marks, so be sure that your submission aligns properly with everything that's expected there. As well, you will see that there are publisher versions of the textbook chapters relevant to the week. I recommend looking these over, especially if you have the time. If you are not going to look at the textbook, I would say these are an absolute requirement. I strongly suggest reading the chapters. None of them is horribly long, but if you don't have access to the textbook regularly, or if you have to miss a week, using these PowerPoints is better than nothing. All right, so that is just a general overview of how the weeks look. As you see, week 2 is a bit different. We will be doing the research in the work environment, library guided skill review. So please just follow the instructions there. Rather than opening this document, you will be coming over to this tab and following the instructions that are provided there. Okay, what else for course documents? I think that's about it. As you see, week 4 is a little bit different. Instead, there's lots of screencasts. I think that's going to get reduced down to 1 when I finish. But as well with chapters 2 and 3, I want you to read something from RBC as well as a newspaper article. So just be aware that there is variety within the course documents, and don't forget to give yourself 3 to 6 hours every week to deal with this course. That is the expectation for all your courses. Gen Ed's communication, that type of thing. Because we are not meeting inside the classroom, those 3 hours should be spent doing your readings and preparing to do the actual coursework, which can take up to another 3 hours. If you have any questions, please contact me by email. And I think, let me take a quick peek. Yes, we do not have a screencast for the discussion board, but if this is still week 1 and you haven't done, oh yeah, we do have a discussion board overview. I will definitely update that as needed. And then I want you to complete in week 1 this getting to know you post. So you can go into the discussion board and get going on that. Thank you.